Multi-Dads and good afternoon. This is Knights. Welcome to Season 3, Episode 18. You okay, Knights? I'm fine. Anyway, you should be more careful now. Right. I should be more careful. How did you like the herbal tea yesterday? It's pretty good. To take very precautions to make it. I made the honey sweeter this time. Oh, you should be careful not to overdrink them. I understand. I'm taking it easy. What are you gonna do? Oh, just the usual. Anyway, we should hurry in the episode. Just be careful how you calm down, okay? Alright. Sorry if this episode is short, everyone. Tune in next week and for two new ones. See you soon.